Hi, I'm Bier and welcome to Thai in 2 minutes here on Buzzin' Patio, the show where I will teach you all the important words that you need to know in easy to remember ways. Hey guys, welcome back to Buzzin' Patio. You're watching Thai in 2 minutes and I'm Bier. Right now I'm at the back of Soy Kautalo where there's a little market, and I'll be teaching you some words that you may or may not need in a market.
Okay, Bier, so I'm inside the market and I want to buy something, but I only want a little bit. How would I tell the person just a little?
Nit noi.
Nit noi.
Nit noi, yeah.
Okay, and that means I only want a little of this or a little of that. You can use that word. Okay.
Hold it and then say nit noi.
Okay.
And
what about if I want to say more? Oh, can I have some more of that, please?
More, so ao ik.
Ao ik.
Or you could just say ik.
Ik. So would you pick up the item and say ao ik kab or?
Yeah. So you pick it up and say, well, you give it to them and then they'll measure it for you, and then you can just say, ao ik, or just ik.
And they understand to add more for you. Okay,
much,
cool. So when you're going to pay, what about if you think it's expensive?
แพงมาก
Pang mark.
แพงมาก I always say that.
Okay, you're grinning there. Pang mark. Okay,
Pang
cool.
mark.
All right, so that's expensive. What about if it's not expensive? You think something's cheap. So I buy something and I say, wow, that's cheap.
ถูก
Talk.
ถูก like T-O-O-K ถูก
Talk. Oh, okay, that means it's cheap.
Yeah, like wow ถูก. You
Wow,
don't have to say
talk.
wow, but I would say wow.
But if you say it's cheap, they're probably going to put the price up, so maybe not a good
don't
idea.
say that.
Okay. And one of the things that's quite common is to ask people for discounts. So if I want to ask for some discount, how would you say that?
ลดได้ไหม Lot is the key word, so lot, which is like L-O-D, lot, and in a sentence you would say ลดได้ไหม
Lot daimai, which means can I have some discount?
Pretty much, yeah.
And is that normally followed by the word madai?
Well, if you're progressive, like ลดได้ไหม ไม่ได้ ลดได้ไหม Yeah,
Okay, all right. Okay, cool, brilliant. So that's 5 really good tips. So just to go through them again then, so if you come to the market, these are 5 words that we think will be of use to you. So the first one was a little,
นิดหน่อย
nit noi, more,
อีก
ik, expensive,
แพงมาก
pang mark, cheap,
ถูก
talk, and I want some discount,
ลดได้ไหม
lot daimai.
Alright guys, so that's me for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, please click on the little bell icon just to get notifications, and comment below what you need, if there's any words that you don't understand, and I can probably help you out. So that's me. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.